We have arrived this morning in Paris because our goal is that to celebrate New Year's Eve here in the city. And as you see, typical monument from Paris is the State of Liberty, of course.
Actually, we are in New York, guys.
And I will bring you with us, guys, in this magical day of 31 of December to celebrate New Year's Eve. So, let's go. What I like about Paris is that the transportations are almost for free. What I mean is that few times on bus or on subway, no one asks us to pay.
No one.
So if no one asks us to pay, we take the service and we say merci beaucoup. If you want to make a walk here in Paris, in the center, one of the best places is Le Jardin des Tuileries. It's a really big garden in which you can just take a walk. If you cross the garden, it will bring you straight away to the Louvre Museum. And as you can see, there's a lot of space. Even to chill and take a walk, you can decide. But we walk to the Louvre. Now, Louvre Museum, you know, is one of the best museums in the world. I'm not so fan of museum, honestly, but this is something that must be watched. Also because if you're under 25, you can go here for free. Sadly, I'm 26, so I must pay my ticket. Madame et Messieurs, Notre Dame, as you can see, is on construction. As you know, was a big fire a few years ago that destroyed all the roof of Notre Dame. And here explain exactly what kind of renovation they are making to save the cathedral, because I think it's really majestic and it's coming back on its shape. And those are my friends, the gargoyle, waiting there for me. Our goal is to find the best place to wait for midnight here in Paris. That's why we are making a tour around. And we have some ideas, but we want to be sure to see everything first during the day, in order then to be in the best spot for the night.
Tu sais, quand tu les vois, ils sont comme ça, faut les envoyer vers moi.
Merci.
So we want to catch the sunset, and that's why we are going on the top of this building. I hope we are gonna get it on time, because then we have 10 minutes and then the sun will be down. What do you think? We will get it?
Yeah, I think so. But we now 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes. We are up there. So let's see.
This is the line for the toilet. We're gonna get ready for our New Year's Eve. We just arrived in our auto. It's a bit tiny, like the elevator. A bit expensive auto for the quality, but it's rustic, let's say. and we booked it just 2 days before. So yeah, keep us still here. We just find this was the cheapest solution. Hello.
You run, for sure you run.
I didn't run.
Yeah.
I have a video who can prove that. Right, this is our messy room. We were gonna get ready for New Year's Eve, and we will show you later where are we going to celebrate this. Here we go. Of course, we choose the best place to spend New Year's Eve, and I'm talking about Tour Eiffel.
Two people.
So beautiful in the night.
So nice. So romantic.
So it's about 10 minutes before midnight, and here there are a lot of people. Of course, they're also waiting for midnight here on the feet of the big tower. Happy New Year!